How to fix the ChatGPT login problem. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix the ChatGPT login problem. Now, there might be several reasons why you're facing this issue. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Sometimes when your internet is lagging, you might face this problem while logging into your ChatGPT account. So you want to ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. Now, if the internet is not the issue, the next thing you want to do is clear your browser cache and cookies. For that, click on the three dots and then click on delete browsing data option. Then you can select the time frame from the drop down menu as well. Now you simply want to click on the delete data option. After this has been done, you want to refresh your browser and check if you're able to log in. If you're still not able to log in, then you want to update your browser and check. To make sure your browser is up to date, you want to click on the three lines and then click on the settings option. Now, from the left hand side panel, you want to select About Chrome option. Here, if there is any update available, it will be visible. You can simply update your browser to the latest version. An outdated browser can cause compatibility issues. Now, if after doing all of this your issue is still not resolved, then you might want to try a different browser. If you are having trouble with one browser, try logging in with a different one. And with all of these, your issue with ChatGPT login should be solved. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.